Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Telegram group. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app. At the top of the screen, you will see a search button. Tap on it and type in the name of the group you want to join. From the search results that appear, select the group that you want to join. At the very bottom of the group chat, you will see a join button. Simply tap on it to join the group. And this is how you can join the Telegram group. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.